DIY natural body scrubs are a fantastic way to rejuvenate your skin while using simple ingredients you likely already have at home. These scrubs not only exfoliate dead skin cells but also nourish your skin, leaving it smooth, glowing. One of the most popular combinations is sugar and coconut oil. Sugar acts as an effective exfoliant, while coconut oil moisturizes deeply, preventing dryness. Simply mix equal parts sugar and oil, then add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a personal touch. Another great option is coffee grounds, which are excellent for improving circulation and reducing the appearance of cellulite. Combine coffee grounds with olive oil for a rich, invigorating scrub. For a soothing option, you can use oatmeal and honey, perfect for sensitive skin. Just blend oats with honey and a little water. Massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions to reveal a fresh layer. Using these scrubs regularly can enhance blood flow, promote cell regeneration, and provide essential nutrients. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container and always do a patch test to avoid skin irritation. Treat yourself to spa-like pampering right at home.